Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to a bit of a road trip. I'm in Ashburton. We don't often visit guitar shops, we almost never film at guitar shops, but I've been called in to look at a ceiling. I'm not very good at plastering or plumbing or anything like that, but I've been told I need to look at the ceiling, so here we go. I kind of just want to stop at the window. Yeah, I want that, and something tells me it's not for sale. That's a sort of violin type instrument, that's a phonograph needle, that is a vintage, oh god, Hohner, it's when you're not allowed to blow into a harmonica for health and safety reasons, you push down on the foot pedal and you can use your foot. You can use your foot to play harmonica. I'm excited. I think we're going to learn some stuff. We're after hours because, you know. That's diamond with a guild badge on it. And diamond branding, Gretsch branding, Gretsch. Ryan. Dude, I haven't made it past the window without digressing. What have I been filming for 2.5 minutes already? And I haven't even got in the shop. Say hi.
Hey everyone, how you doing? I'm Ryan, welcome to WM Guitars.
Oh, and Walter.
I'm Wolfie.
How you doing, man? You good?
Yeah, very good.
It's been weeks. I don't see. Oh, shit. Hello, people. Oh, Christ. There's a shark there. I'm looking at my screen. That's a Westone. That's a Hagstrom. There's... Oh, my God. Sorry, I don't care about you anymore.
No worries.
None of these are for sale? No? Okay, fine. Sorry, let's get me out of the frame. Nobody wants to look up my nose. Crikey, people. I thought I was starting a guitar museum. Damn. Ah, there's the Luthiers corner. So you've got JKM.
We do indeed.
Is there a Patrick Eggle there? Oh, God. Thompson and Ball. I met a guitar by Thompson and Ball the other day at the Bristol Guitar Show that literally gave me chills. Okay, I actually don't know half of these brands.
Good.
Which is fun. On the channel, we want to do we want to educate as much as possible.
Of course.
It's all about the edutainment. It's all about learning as much as I possibly can about guitars, guitar building, what guitar builders do. Hello, Bear Claw. What's that? Celtic. That's a Patrick James Eggle. It's behind glass. I'm not easily distracted. Are you easily distracted?
Not at all, no. No.
The actual point of this video is to go through and have a look at as many interesting guitars, predominantly the handmade stuff, the Luthiers Corner, etc., and see what they've done, why they've done it. And I've immediately got about 14 questions. How the hell is that Paducah Purple Heart guitar still Paducah Purple Heart coloured, for example?
That's made by Brendan O'Gorman. O'Gorman Guitars in Red Roof in Cornwall.
I mean, that's not a million. Wow.
So it's a standard Sitka top, but with the Paducah and Purple Heart embellishments. And obviously the Paducah neck as well.
Paducah's not a fun wood to work in.
No,
the
not at all.
the fourth guitar I ever built in the first commission, my drummer commissioned me to make him a solid Padauk Telecaster. Weighed a freaking ton.
I can imagine. It's solid wood.
Oh man, but the dust.
Yeah.
And I was carving with angle grinders even back then. I had hair.
Yeah.
And that stuff just, I was red for weeks. When I die, I'll still be sweating Padauk dust. Please do not touch. I think I'm going to just ignore that.
Yeah, please do. Yeah. You're the exception to that sign, Ben.
I'm the exception to many things. Hi people. We are going to, I'm going to get a tripod out.
Yeah.
This camera weighs a freaking ton. I don't see, oh, there's some fenders, okay. So you've got the mass market sort of covered. Just a quick one, FGN. They're interesting. Some of them have, so they're handmade in the Fujian. Yeah, I don't know that thing. I can't pronounce it. Oh, here we go. So these guys have got slightly curved frets on them. And what are they, Walter? What do they call that?
CFS. Circular fretting system.
Okay. Apparently, it's about. You want the string to leave the fret at a right angle so that it's
90 degrees. Yeah. Optimum inclination.
I don't, when I grip the neck, I kind of bunch the strings up and you know, they're not leaving at 90 degrees anyway.
This is true.
Argue in the comments. Okay, private collection, please don't touch. Vintage Framus 2, 4, 6. So it's a 6-course. It's a mandolin, isn't it? Really?
3-course 12-string mandolin.
I didn't know they made that.
Neither did Framus.
What?
So that's on loan to us from Adrian Ashton from
Manson's.
Yeah. Yep. He was the ex-manager of Manson's Guitar Shop and now runs the Manson's Guitar Works. That was brought.
The loss of Manson's Guitar Shop. I mean, maybe it gave you more business, but
it was an incredible loss. Independent guitar shops go above and beyond, you know, for anyone who eats, sleeps, breathes this world. So that one, it was
on loan
back to the UK by his grandfather. He had it knocking around for years. He knew that we had our museum ceiling, so lent that to us as a museum piece. And we contacted Framus, so did Adrian, and they basically told us we never built the thing. But it's here and we've got one.
That guitar does not look like it fits in this place. That's funny.
Yeah, no it doesn't.
What are they called again?
Lava.
Oh, private collection, please don't touch. Oh, stunning. Aluminium neck. God damn. And there's another. Is that a river?
It is indeed a river. Just casually walk around that one.
A lot of Aria Pros. Supro, that was a sad story. FGN, Epiphone, amps. Oh, that's fun.
So there's a local festival in town that happens every year called the Little Big Town. And there was an archery range set up. So they had arrows with corks on the end, firing paint at things. So we hung up a kit guitar, let them shoot arrows at it, and finished it off, and it's become the Little Big Town guitar.
I love it. Yeah. And you do have some budget stuff, which is cool, but it's all about the ceiling here. I've got one of them. Do you have the whole...
The whole setup.
The whole setup, so the pedal board and all that.
We've got the pedal board. There's actually a nice story. So there's a prog rock band from, I believe it was Manchester back in the 80s called IQ. And IQ were a bit of an underground band, but that was their touring guitar. And we've got the floor system for it, which looks like a bloody spaceship. And
I'd love to meet that one day.
The IQ cartridges. So it's got all of their preset sounds.
That's cool.
So Woodstock is a brand
that's shiny.
Oh, it's bronze flake. It's beautiful.
Ooh.
We are the sole exclusive retailer for in the UK. They're all handmade in Kiev in Ukraine.
Ukraine. Okay.
So another Ukrainian brand for you there, Dan. They
rafters.
are.
Oh, that's more there.
That's all them. Yeah.
Can you feel me walking around the river?
They're all kind of custom shop standard, 50s voiced, so really good quality woods. A lot of them are Ukrainian sourced timbers. They are all handmade, kind of slightly, they're asymmetrical kind of neck profiles, V2, kind of slightly deeper C.
That's a 1,300 quid for a handmade guitar. I suppose it's not a Fender, therefore it's more difficult to sell. Yeah, I'd quite like to get to know that. That's yeah. God, I want one of them in my life.
With pound the silver bullet.
I didn't look at this wall there, so oh, I don't see these guys very often. That's Mason.
Yeah, Mason with a Y, M-A-Y-S-O-N.
So that
They don't really exist anymore, but we were the largest UK retailer for them for many years. We actually owned more Masons at one point than the European distributor of the brand.
damn. Okay.
We got very much behind the brand. They're kind of like modern Luthier, bit Taylor quality-esque.
Hi. So yeah, numpty left with only one battery, and I've now moved over to a different camera, and we've got like 2 or 3 different audio things going because I wasn't really. Prior planning prevents piss poor performance. I haven't quite internalized that. Tell me about this guitar.
So that was built in Vienna in 1835. It is a triple neck harp guitar. It's got quite a long history. It's followed my dad quite a lot. So he was born in Austria. Not in 1835. He was born in Austria. He then lived in Holland for many years, and this was on display in a Museum of Fine Musical Instruments in Zwolle, in the Netherlands. And over COVID, they had to raise some funds, because obviously they were closed. So we decided to buy it off them to help fund their museum.
2 5-string necks, both fretless. The lights are making this quite difficult. Would it be possible to take that down and
Of course.
put it in my van? I would love to sort of pick 2 or 3 budget acoustic guitars and make them into that. As a genuine dream project, or do a sort of a Linda Manza style. I should be filming this. Do not drop that guitar. 1835. Is that? Oh no, you've got 2. Is there? Is that a single piece?
That is a single piece, yes.
Haven't they heard about string separation? I love the character of older guitars. Just the history of what we've got going on,
Yeah.
but the headstock, the way that works, this matches the harp guitar in the window that stopped me in my tracks as I walked up.
Yeah. They're both made in Vienna.
Okay.
The one that we got in the windows labelled Stowasser, but then a lot of guitars from that time period, Stowasser was quite a known make,
Okay.
and the labels were faked, so it's hard to tell if it was a real Stowasser. This is unlabelled. So being unlabelled, but then the style in which it's built and the quality in which it's built shows to me that it was probably an apprentice build, and an apprentice that was coming towards the end of their apprenticeship.
Mm-hmm.
Because it is,
That's incredible.
is of great quality. Yeah.
And
really
you just have
durable.
it because you look at how chunky that beastie is.
It's super wide.
My God.
Yeah.
Okay. I love the neck. Okay. Okay. That was worth the trip. The whole thing.